If you want to excel in English speaking, but you're not a native speaker and feel like you're always behind, then let me tell you a secret. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent, confident, and clever with how you learn. The real winners in English speaking aren't the ones who memorize thousands of words. They're the ones who use a few words really well. So let's break it down. Step 1. Speak daily, not perfectly. Stop waiting for the right time or right grammar. Start today. Say one sentence to yourself right now in English. I want to improve. That's your start. Step 2. Choose quality over quantity. Focus on mastering 50 to 100 powerful sentences that cover everyday life. Greetings, opinions, needs, feelings, and simple conversations. Use them every day until they become natural. Step 3. Surround yourself with English. Watch Pakistani vloggers, short Netflix clips, or English news on low volume in the background while doing other tasks. Let English enter your brain passively. Step 4. Use the mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. Say, I woke up at 7. I had chai. I'm feeling tired. This builds flow and confidence. Step 5. Improve pronunciation through shadowing. Play a native speaker's audio, pause after each sentence, and copy the exact tone and speed. It's like singing along with a song, but in English. Step 6. Stop translating in your head. That habit kills your fluency. Instead, train your brain to think in English by asking yourself small questions. What time is it? What should I eat? And answer in English. Step 7. Record voice notes to yourself every day. Just 1 to 2 minutes. Talk about your day, your opinion on something, or a memory. Then listen and reflect. You'll see your progress in just a few weeks. Step 8. Practice speaking with someone regularly. It could be a friend, a tutor, or even an AI tool. Practice doesn't make perfect, it makes progress. Step 9. Don't be scared of mistakes. Every fluent speaker today was once a beginner full of errors. Embrace them. Mistakes are part of your success story. Step 10. Use English in real situations. Order food in English. Ask a question in class. Talk to a customer in your job. The more real you make it, the faster you grow. And here's a bonus tip. Teach what you learn. If you just learned 5 phrases today, explain them to a friend or even in the comments. Teaching locks in your learning and builds massive confidence. So now here's your task. Comment below one sentence in English about your goal this year. For example, I want to speak English fluently, or I will give my interview confidently. I'll personally read and reply to your comments. And tell me, should we start a daily speaking challenge on this channel where I give you one sentence every